Alright, I haven't shown you this yet, but this is my free Murray lawnmower. I figured I'd give it a quick little drive while there's still daylight, but the sun's down enough you don't really have to worry about getting blinded. And this thing has no headlights on it because there's obviously no hood, so there's nowhere to put any lights. This is 6th gear right now. It's very slow. I'm just going to try and drive a little bit, make sure it don't blow up because I haven't driven it much. Alright. That's about all you're going to get. Go and turn around here. Tire is also about flat on the left front side. Very slow, but it's about the same as the Craftsman was before it was swapped, to be fair. It was also pretty slow. Ride's pretty rough, too. Not surprised, though. I'll try and make it go a little further. Unlike the yard machines and Craftsman, this is kind of quiet. I'm going to pull over for this guy. Got nice tight turning as well. I like that. The tire is already almost flat. I'm just going to try and go for it. It's in 6th gear. That's all it's got. Maybe 6 miles per hour. Look at that tire there. Wobbling a lot. And it wants to pull to the left really bad. Got a decent running Briggs on it though. It's a 15.5 overhead valve. It's a good little mower to have, I guess. It's pretty slow, but I mean, what do you expect? And it was for free, so I can't complain. And it has a hood and a deck as well. The best thing is though, this has the good old 6-speed peerless transmission, a real manual transmission, so this thing has the potential to go fast, even though I'm planning to swap it. But yeah, not a bad mower at all. Thanks for watching.